This is how to create a new drive for Windows. We're going to go to the search down here and look up File Explorer. Once you have File Explorer opened up, we're going to go to this PC on the left right here to see either 1, 2, or how many drives that we have installed on our computer. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to cut in half one of these drives and make a whole new one, a separate allocated one. So we're going to go in the bottom here to search and look up run. Then we're going to type in disk mgmt.msc right here, as you can see. Just like that. Press OK. And here at the bottom, you will see the amount of drives that you have. We're going to worry about the C drive for the time being. Depending which drive that you want to split up and create a separate allocated one, we're going to click on that one. We're going to right click it and go to shrink volume. And then right here where it says enter the amount of space to shrink, we're going to go and put 5,000 for 5 gigabytes. Press shrink. That new space that we created, we're going to right click it and go to new simple volume. Now we're going to go ahead and go through these steps right here where it says specify volume size here. This is how much space that we'd like to open up to show up right here where our other drives are located on our PC and our File Explorer. Every 1,000 is 1 gigabyte. So if I put 1,000 here, only 1 gigabyte of space, of extra space would show up right here. So if I would like to do that, we're going to go next. If we want, we can assign a specific letter to this drive. And once you press finish, it should create a whole new separate drive on your PC. And you should see it right here in the File Explorer. That is how to create a new drive in Windows.